I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Cameras loaded with 8mm film, shaky and imperfect, but full of life. I've seen pirated copies filmed from the back row of a cinema with VHS cameras, where it took more imagination than sight to grasp the story. I've witnessed reports captured on Betacom, bringing us closer to the world with the precision of professional television. I've seen the rise of digital, high definition, 4K, sharper, clearer, better. And now, artificial intelligence blending everything someone once imagined. All those moments will not be lost like tears in rain, because we've always been there to preserve them. We are stories.